When people talk about education, the future of education, they often focus on technology, the latest tool, the newest platform, the latest innovation, right? But I don't think technology is what will separate schools in the future. To me, I think adaptability will. Over the years, I've worked in K through 12 education, higher ed, and also in tech. And one thing I've noticed is that change doesn't usually happen because people have the best tools. It happens because people are willing to learn. The schools, in my opinion, that will win in the future won't necessarily be the schools with the biggest budgets or the latest and greatest technology. They'll be the schools that are willing to ask questions, try new things, learn from mistakes, and keep moving forward. Perseverance is the key because the future belongs to organizations that can adapt. I'm Dr. Kristofer Stubbs, and I help school leaders and educational systems prepare for the future of learning and work.